Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
And roads to and from Big Bear are bad. Couple that with the thousands of people who are trying to come up or leave the mountains, and you have some pretty frustrating and dangerous driving conditions. Weekends are typically the worst, especially after a good snowstorm. But that brings a lot of people to the mountains.
Take our lead.
Big Bear is more commercial, and much bigger, and not as nice, but more skiing choices, etc. At least passed by Lake Arrowhead on the way, and stop at the village, or the Lake Arrowhead Resort for a drink and take in the nice views. It's only about 30 minutes away from Big Bear and a nice drive.
Make your mark. Take our lead.
Rattlesnakes. As winter melts away and the warmer spring and summer months appear, rattlesnakes begin to make their way out of hibernation all around the valley. Bears. Any bear you encounter in Big Bear Lake will be a black bear, and like rattlesnakes, they tend to avoid humans.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
The first snowfall of winter for Big Bear Lake can arrive as early as October or as late as December. Most commonly, the snow starts flying in November. But once every 4 years or so, November sees no snow.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
Snow Summit Beginner runs with a vertical drop of only 1,200 feet. The mountain is a great place to learn how to snow plow without getting in the way of an expert skier. 55% of the area is designed for beginners, and is one of the most fun Big Bear Mountain things to do.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
From Beverly Hills it is approximately a 2-hour, 20-minute drive, and from the city of San Bernardino, 29 miles, depending on traffic it is a 40 to 45-minute drive up the mountain. There are 3 roads that lead in and out of the Big Bear Valley.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.